Hello everyone. For activity 2, I decided to use differentiated instruction, and what my main goal here was for the left side to have the key terms, and then on the right side for there to be the clues and then what I wanted them to do was match the left-sided ones to the right-sided ones. So for example, I wanted comparing and Venn diagrams. So that one would go with similarities and differences. And then summarizing and note-taking. That one would be with identifying important information and creating a concise version of information. And then reinforcing effort and providing recognition would be with directly tell students that their effort will lead to success. And then homework and practice would go with meaningful work and enough time and trial. And non-logistic representation would be content in a variety of ways, not just verbal, and better organized. And then cooperative learning would be soft skills, teamwork, and learning centers. And then setting objectives and providing feedback. That one would be clear and measurable learning targets that let students know what they're doing right and wrong right here. And then generating and testing hypothesis. And that one would go with a problem solving, experiment, investigation, logic, and predictions. And then questions and cues would be analyze and apply information, post questions, wait time, and then call on students. And advanced organizer would be the KWL chart. All right, thank you.